Anatomy of the human heart. The heart is a muscular organ, about the size of a fist, that is located just behind and slightly to the left of the breastbone. The heart circulates blood through the cardiovascular system, which is a network of arteries and veins. The heart collects deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body and transports it to the lungs to be oxygenated and release carbon dioxide. The oxygenated blood is then transported from the lungs and distributed to all body parts. The average human heart beats 100,000 times per day, pumping 2,000 gallons of blood through the body. The average male heart weighs between 280 and 340 grams. In females, it weighs about 230 to 280 grams. Infant's heart is about 1/30 of the total body weight. An adult's heart beats 60 to 80 times per minute, while a newborn baby's heart beats 70 to 190 times per minute. The heart wall is made up of 3 layers that are enclosed in the pericardium. Epicardium, the outer layer of the heart wall, formed by the visceral layer of the serous pericardium. Myocardium, the muscular middle layer of the heart wall. It has excitable tissue in the conducting system. The endocardium, the heart's innermost layer. It is made up of endothelium and subendothelial connective tissue. The heart is made up of 2 pumps that are separated by a partition. The right pump transports deoxygenated blood from the body to the lungs. The left pump transports oxygenated blood from the lungs to the body. Each pump is made up of an atrium and a ventricle that are separated by a valve. The heart is divided into 4 chambers. 2 upper chambers known as the left and right atriums, and 2 low chambers known as the left and right ventricles. The left and right atriums are small, thin-walled chambers that lies just above the left and right ventricles. The ventricles are the larger, thicker-walled chambers that do the majority of the work. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body and pumps it to the right ventricle via veins, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. The right ventricle receives blood from the right atrium and sends it to the lungs to be oxygenated. The heart's left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the lungs and transports it to the left ventricle. The strongest chamber is the left ventricle, which sends oxygen-rich blood to the aorta in the rest of the body. The heart contains 4 valves: tricuspid valve, pulmonary valve, mitral, and aortic valves. The tricuspid valve, also known as the right atrioventricular valve, it prevents blood from flowing backwards when it is pumped from the right atrium to the right ventricle. The valve is named as tricuspid because it is made up of 3 cusps or leaflets. The pulmonary valve prevents blood from backflowing as it is pumped from the right ventricle to the pulmonary artery. The pulmonary valve is made up of 3 semilunar cusps, with free edges that project upward. The cusps are referred to as the left, right, and anterior semilunar cusps. The mitral valve is also known as the bicuspid valve because it has 2 cusps, the anterior and posterior cusps. It prevents blood from backflowing, as it is pumped from the left atrium to the left ventricle. The aortic valve prevents the backflow of blood, as it is pumped from the left ventricle to the aorta, conducting system of heart. The conducting system of the heart is made up of cardiac muscle cells and conducting fibers that are designed to initiate impulses and rapidly conduct them through the heart. The generation and conduction of these electrical impulses causes our heart to beat. The heart contracts and relaxes as a result of these impulses. There are 6 conducting systems of heart. Number 1. Sinoatrial node or SA node. Number 2. Atrioventricular node or AV node. Number 3. Atrioventricular bundle or AV bundle or bundle of His. Number 4. The right branch of AV bundle. Number 5. The left branch of AV bundle. Number 6. The Purkinje fibers. Pacemaker impulse generation. The SA node is also referred to as the heart's pacemaker. It is located on the upper wall of the right atrium. The SA node typically generates impulses at a rate of about 70 per minute and initiates the heartbeat. It generates nerve impulses that travel throughout the heart wall. This causes the contraction of both atria. AV node impulse conduction. The atrioventricular node is located near the bottom of the right atrium, on the right side of the partition that divides the atria. It can generate impulses at a rate of about 60 per minute. The impulses from the SA node are delayed by about a tenth of a second before reaching the AV node. This delay allows the atria to contract and empty their contents into the ventricles before ventricle contraction. AV bundle impulse conduction. The impulses are then sent down to the atrioventricular bundle, also known as the His bundle. This bundle of fibers then divides into right and left bundles. Purkinje fibers impulse conduction. The right and left AV bundles begin to divide further into Purkinje fibers. When impulses reach these fibers, they activate the muscle fibers of the ventricles, causing them to contract. The right ventricle sends blood to the lungs via the pulmonary artery. The left ventricle sends blood to the aorta. Blood supply. Arterial blood supply to the heart. The heart is supplied by 2 main arteries. These are right coronary artery and left coronary artery. Venous drainage of the heart. The great cardiac vein. The middle cardiac vein and the small cardiac vein all drain into the coronary sinus, which opens into the right atrium. The anterior cardiac veins drain directly into the right atrium. Functions of the heart. Number 1. Pumping hormones and other vital substances to various parts of the body. Number 2. Pumping oxygenated blood to the other body parts. Number 3. Receiving deoxygenated blood and blood containing metabolic waste products from the body and pumping it to the lungs for oxygenation. Number 4. Maintaining the blood pressure. Subscribe our YouTube channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.